Welcome, Mama, sparkling heart emoji. In this short guide, we'll walk you through the best tips for using a breast pump with comfort and confidence. Tip 1. Choose the right pump. Every mom is different. If you're pumping often, an electric pump may save you time and effort. For occasional use, a manual pump works just fine. Make sure the flange fits your breast comfortably. Tip 2. Stick to a pumping schedule. Consistency is key. Pump every 2 to 3 hours, especially in the beginning. It helps maintain your milk supply and prevents discomfort. Tip 3. Get comfortable. Find a quiet space. Sit back, relax, and support your arms with a pillow. Stress can reduce milk flow, so staying calm really helps. Tip 4. Hydrate and relax. Drink plenty of water before and after pumping. Watching a baby video or listening to soothing sounds can stimulate your letdown reflex. Tip 5. Clean your pump properly. Always wash and air dry all pump parts that touch milk after each use. Sterilize daily to keep your baby safe. Bonus tip: store your milk safely. Label milk with the date and use sterilized containers or milk storage bags. Refrigerate or freeze depending on when you use it. You're doing amazing, Mama. Flex biceps emoji. Breastfeeding is a journey, and every drop counts.